Red-stripe circular saw blades, also known as TCT, acronym for tungsten carbide tip blades, are compatible with a wide range of circular saws, including table saws, miter saws, and handheld circular saws. The tungsten carbide tips, or teeth, provide the cutting edges of the blade, offering exceptional durability and sharpness. Tungsten carbide is a hard and durable material, offering several key advantages over traditional steel teeth. It maintains its sharpness longer, resulting in cleaner and more precise cuts. It also resists wear and tear, extending the lifespan of the blade. It is also relevant to know the function of the slots on the blade. The slots serve to prevent lateral vibration, both in idling and cutting. In short, supports the blade stability. Typical applications: carpentry, cutting and shaping wood for construction and furniture making. Flooring, cutting and installing wood and laminate flooring. Cabinetry, cutting and shaping wood for cabinets and shelving.